Welcome students. Let us start a very interesting chapter, sets. First of all, we will start with what is a set. What is a set? How to define a set? So set is defined as, set is a collection of well-defined objects, well-defined elements. Okay. So this can be defined as, set is a collection of well-defined objects. What is the meaning of well-defined objects? By well-defined objects, it will be finalized that whether particular member, particular object, particular element will belong to that group or not. Okay. As for example, suppose you write all the natural numbers less than 8. Suppose you write all natural numbers less than 8. It means this is obvious, this is clear that these elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, less than 8. Okay. So this is well-defined object. So this collection of these 7 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is a set. Secondly, suppose you write all even natural numbers less than or equal to 10. Okay. Then here numbers will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are all even natural numbers less than or equal to 10. So this is also a collection of well-defined elements, collection of well-defined objects. Another example, suppose you write letters of the word mango. Letters of the word mango. Okay. So here letters are M, A, N, G, O. This is also a collection of well-defined objects. So these 5 letters of alphabet form a set. But in a set, any object will not be repeated. Suppose we have to write letters of the word, suppose apple. Then you see here apple is repeated here. Apple is written twice. But we should not write apple 2 times. So here set which will consist only these letters A, P, L, E. So any objects will not be repeated in any particular set. So now this is obvious, this is clear. Now you can understand that what is a set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Clear? Now we'll see how to represent a set. Representation a set. Representation of a set. Set can be represented in 2 different ways. One is which is known as roster form or tabular form. Roster form or tabular form. And second is set builder form. Set builder form. Let us discuss each of these 2 forms separately. So first is roster form. Roster form, or it is called tabular form. It is clear by the name of this word, tabular. Tabular means everything will be mentioned. So in this case, all the objects, all the members, all the elements of the set will be clearly mentioned. Okay. Suppose we make a set of all the vowels, set of all the vowels of English alphabets. Okay, so you know vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and for complete representation of a set, these elements, these objects will be kept inside a curly bracket. This is the way of representing a set. So this is a set of all the vowels of English alphabets in which form? Tabular form or roster form. Suppose you take another example. Suppose you write all prime numbers less than 10. Set of all prime numbers less than 10. Okay, so this will be 2, 3, 5 and 7. These are all prime numbers less than 10. Okay, so in this way we can make a collection of well-defined objects and keep all these elements, all these objects inside a curly bracket. Then this is the way of representing a set in roster form or tabular form. And set builder form, this is a form where we do not write all the objects or elements separately, but you just mention the properties, that is the common properties. As for example, if these two same sets are represented in set builder form, second which is set builder form, suppose you have to write the same thing, set of all the vowels of English alphabets. Then we should not mention all these vowels separately, but simply we will give properties, we will mention the properties. Okay, like this. X, this column is read as such that. So X such that X is a vowel of English alphabets. Okay, and set is represented by capital letter of alphabet. Suppose you can write here A. So A is a set consisting of X such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. So these sets are denoted by some alphabets, capital letter of alphabets A. Suppose this is B, like this. Okay. So this second example, set of all prime numbers less than 10. Suppose this is denoted by set B, capital letter of English alphabet B. Okay, so we will write here that this is X such that X belonging to, such that X is a prime number. You write here such that X is a prime number and X belong to less than 10. So just you are mentioning the common property of all the objects, all the elements. So B is a set. What is? This is X such that X is a prime number and X is less than 10. So this is the example of set builder form. These are the examples of a roster form. So now this is clear that what is a set and how to represent a set. Now we will see some exercises also in the next video. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please remain in touch with all these videos so that we could understand the entire chapter in proper manner and will enjoy learning mathematics as well. Thank you very much.